Well, you know, early on there was put to a test, and oh look there, I looked up on that. I forgot them was up there. Man, I think I have a root beer on the standby over there. But I have to unload some steel out there. Probably should get on with that. Well, you know, some days little short root beer there. Man. Just saying. Let's go unload that iron. Well, yeah, it's the last of it. So, well, that right there is the extent of it. So, you know, I'm gonna get the bandsaw out and start sawing that up right there. That'll be gone in a few days. You know, just saying. But in the meantime, well, I'm gonna prop this up over there by the door. That'll be right there when I need that. It'll be right over there. Oh yeah. And the reasoning for this pile of metal is right here. Engine cart. In particular, one for this 1.5 and 2.5 horsepower for my steering MLB. Works perfect, I think. I'm just saying. Oh yeah, what you might have heard there is that hum in the background. That's that battery charger hooked up that there electrolysis tank. You know, plug it in, let it go. Cleaning parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, you know, the test of the product is in use. And this is that breather there, the bottom half. And that's where that spring goes. And this little flapper tail fits right there. And that goes right there. And that little spring is ever such soft, just enough to hold it closed across through there. Nothing more is required. Well, that'll work really good. Now let's make 2 more. Yeah, trim them ends neatly away. And there's always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coils. That music wire, you know, you can get that about every thousandths all the way down. I think some of them missing, but just saying. And like I say, it's one of those machines that, you know, it does what it's supposed to do exactly. Like, you know, there's no way you could go wrong with this machine. So, and that's not taking in any consideration of the factory mechanism here. Would it operate any more better than what it just did? I'll show you. And just going with a minimal well, finding the right size arbor with a purpose and actually finding it, and the springs comes out to, you know, within a thousandths or so in the roundness, more than sufficient. I'm fortunate to have this spring winder. It's in really good condition, unused, more or less. But you can see the amount of spring back that the spring has as compared to the size of the mandrel there, finished spring. But and the outrigger, I plan on putting a little turntable right here on this outrigger to support the roll of music war. But this is the machine as it is. And then at the end of all of this, this is the outcome of just, you know, a very few minutes amount of time. 10 of those breather springs. There's our, that's the one we went by, the aftermarket spring. And then here's 4 original ones that was compared and come up with the wire size and the amount of coils. So I have 14 usable there. I'm going to keep one as an example for the next run. Well, from here in Middle Tennessee, the geographical center of something. Shop Dog Sam. Hey, y'all come on back. And we're going to wind some springs on that other spring winder over there. I'm just saying.